All right, guys, today I'm going to do a full overview on this new software called Offerlab. If you guys have tried any kind of affiliate marketing like Amazon or TikTok Shop or Target, any of those, then this is literally going to change the game of how we do affiliate marketing. Check it out. And just super quick, guys, I've been in affiliate marketing well over 3 years. I left my corporate retail job to go all in on this, but here's one of the things that I've noticed about affiliates is, just like it says on here, they fail because the system is stacked against them. It's either too tech for them, the payout can be not good, and then the worst one for me is the commission sucks. So you guys know, if you guys have done Amazon affiliate, and some of the products on the TikTok shop can be pretty low, right? 3%, 5%, 10%, things like that. And then I've even done deals on TikTok Shop where they'll agree to, let's say, 30%, and then they just change it at the end. Once you start selling a bunch for them, then they end up changing that. So you guys won't have to worry about that because you'll see how cool Offerlab actually is. So the Offerlab is all of the best products out right now, all on one system that you can create what everyone's calling is a super funnel. You can take some of the top selling products from Russell, some of the top selling products from some of your mentors, stack them all together and make one giant funnel that makes perfect sense for your audience. I'll show you a quick glimpse into it here in a second, but I just kind of want to give you a quick intro to it. So like I said, Offerlab was created by the man Russell Brunson. If you guys don't know, he created ClickFunnels, $1 billion company. Probably the greatest thing that I've seen about what he did with Offerlab is how you can mix and match even like competitors in one, so that way it works together for your funnel. You can take your offer, even if you don't, you can take Russell's, you can take mine, and then you can take somebody else's, mix it all together and make one awesome funnel for your audience. And if you don't have any products, you don't have to worry about that. If you have a product, you're able to put it on the platform and have thousands and thousands of people going out and promote it for you, and you don't have to set up anything. Like literally, you just put it on the platform and then people will go out and promote it, and then Offerlab will take care of all the payouts. So once they make a sale, you get your cut on that as well. So this is how I started, guys, here as an affiliate. So I didn't have a product at the time, so I would just go and get, Russell's products. I would go get my mentor Jonathan's products. I would go get Camila's products, and then I can now mix them all together and make one giant super funnel. So what I did like what Offerlab does for affiliates is it's not just one generic funnel that everyone has to go out and push, right? So like you would buy the training and you'd go through the training, and then at the end, if you chose to promote it, they'd give you access to it. But you couldn't really do much with the funnel itself. It was just kind of what it was. But now you're able to incorporate other people's products into that funnel. It only takes literally seconds to put together, and your funnel will be up and running in, I think, 30 seconds. And all of the payments will be paid out automatically in real time. And like I said, if you're an affiliate and you do also have a product, this is where Offerlab is the game changer. As I was saying, you can just take your course, product, whatever that you have, put it on Offerlab, and then people that are in that niche can go look up, what do they have for weight training? What do they have for fitness? What do they have for, making money online? And it'll show everyone's on there. It'll show you what their rating is, it'll show what their commission payout is, and then people will just be able to start promoting your product automatically where people are already at. So like, you don't have to go and try to get affiliates, just put your product on Offerlab and affiliates will go out and promote it for you. It's freaking genius. And then here's the other part about Offerlab is it works with every software. So it doesn't matter if you guys have ClickFunnels, Shopify, GoHighLevel like me, it integrates with all of them. So that way you're able to plug and play no matter what system you're using. So if you guys don't know, Offerlab hasn't even been released yet at the time of this recording. So I'm giving you early access to his system so that way you guys can either put your products on there, and once it's released to everybody, everyone will start promoting your product. And then if you're an affiliate, you'll be able to go ahead and create your super funnel and already have it out and already start making commission. So you'll already be ahead of the game. But I kind of wanted to sweeten the deal for you guys. So like I said, it is free to join Offerlab. You don't have to pay anything, like just sign up. But if you sign up through my link today, I'm going to go ahead and give you some of the craziest bonuses that I've ever given out I normally charge for these, but I'm gonna go ahead and give them to you. It's well over $1,000. Let me show you. So my first bonus is my 1,500 ChatGPT prompts that helped me get all the way to 14 million views, well over 20,000 followers, all by just following a structure, guys. So normally people pay for these, but if you join through my link today, I'm gonna go ahead and just give them to you for free, no questions asked, just for signing up for a free account on Offerlab through my link. Bonus number 2, I'm gonna go ahead and give you my Monetization GPT. I used hours and hours of videos from Grant Cardone, Gary Vee, Russell Brunson, Alex Hormozi. I put articles, I put so much time into creating this. So whenever I'm gonna go ahead and just give this to you. You're just gonna literally click on it. It's gonna import into your ChatGPT, and you're gonna be able to, you can have it create Russell Brunson style funnels, Alex Hormozi style selling, like everything that you would want from the best people is gonna be trained on my GPT, and I'm gonna give that to you for free. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and give you access to my private Facebook group, where as you can see, where I will give you prompts on how to create cool images using just ChatGPT. You don't have to go pay for another software. If you're already using ChatGPT, I'm gonna show you how to make cool images like the one I had there. That's right from our Facebook group. And then I'm also going to give you 100+ royalty-free stock videos. So if you guys run anything like a faceless channel or anything like that, or you guys are just trying to put content out there, I'm going to go ahead and give you over 100 free royalty-free videos that you guys can put any text over them, or however you guys want to use them, you guys are able to do so. So let me just go ahead and break it down one more time. So if you guys set up for Offerlab, which is free, you're going to go ahead and get my 1,500 plug and play ChatGPT prompts that help me get to 14 million views. You're going to get my monetization mentor GPT, right? Trained on the best, Grant Cardone, Alex Hormozi, Gary Vee, Russell Brunson, for free. That's $497 value, guys. I put so much time into creating that. You're going to get the 100+ royalty-free videos, so that way you guys can go ahead and start putting out content today. And last but not least, access to our private Facebook group, where we drop gems in there, so that way if you guys are trying to learn any cool tips and tricks on AI, we go ahead and give them to you guys exclusively there. So if you guys that are already an affiliate, been thinking about being an affiliate, you guys have your own product, right now is the time to jump on Offerlab. Like I said, exclusive early access to Offerlab right now through my link. The only way you guys get these bonuses is through signing up through the link. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that in the description. And if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. It greatly helps out. Guys, don't sleep on Offerlab. I don't know how long I'll keep these bonuses up. I'm gonna leave them in the description, like I said. Hope y'all take advantage.